Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to make a video on how you can get your phone number changed. Maybe you have lost access to the phone number you used while you registered your NIN, the time you obtained your NIN. So this tutorial is all about the process to take you to get it modified, to get it changed, to get the phone number attached to your national identification number corrected. So recently, as of last month, I just did my own and it worked for me. I was able to change my phone number to the one that I'm currently using because I lost access to the previous phone number I used while I registered my NIN. So in this particular tutorial, I want to show you the procedure I followed and what it took me to obtain the phone number and to get it changed as well. So in this tutorial, let me just show you the step-by-step procedure you follow to get it corrected immediately without much delay, guys. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you really love what I do on this channel, I make videos on different topics, basically how you can get opportunities and get some problems solved through my videos. So guys, right away I'm going to show you how you can get this done by making some payments online. It's just some tokens that you have to pay to the bank using the national identification number RR code. So what you're going to do right now is to follow me, watch this tutorial to the end so that you can be able to know the steps and don't miss it. Don't jump the steps, guys, so that you cannot get delayed on the cost of getting it done. So right away, what I'm going to do is to click on, when you come to your Chrome, you can open your Chrome browser or any other browser you have on your phone. So on your mobile phone, you come to this place. So you come to this place and come to this place, guys, and type remita payments. So when you finish typing, it will pop up like this. So you select this first one, guys. You click here. So when I click here, it will take me to this particular page. You select these first options, guys. This first option is what you're going to select. You click on it, it will take you to a new page. So guys, here we are right away on a new page. So these are the remita options available if you want to buy airtime, but that is not what we are here for. So you can actually check other options if you want to know how it works or how they work. So guys, right away what you're going to do is to click on this particular one, bills and purchases. New page will pop up like this. Select this pay billers. So guys, when you click on this pay billers, it will take you to a new page again. Wait for it to load, guys. So here we are while it's loading. Right now we are here, guys. So this is where you are going to insert it's saying who do you want to pay. So the person you want to pay to is the federal government. So you are going to type national. Once you type national ID, it will pop up like this. You don't even need to type the whole of the name to get it. So it will pop up like this. You select it, guys. You click on it, it will pop up. Then you go to the second option. The option is saying name of service or purpose of payment. So guys, you're going to click on this. You select. There are tons of things that you can come here and make payment for, but for this particular tutorial I'm going to tell you or show you how you're going to go straight forward to change of phone number payment, where you can select the option. So right here we are going to select modification of any other field. other than date of birth pay transaction. So guys, you are going to select this particular one that I've just marked now. So here it is guys, you select it, don't select any other one. So if you are not paying for date of birth, you come to this particular place. Every other payment outside date of birth is here. You are going to make the payment guys. So when I select this, it will tell me the actual price that I'm going to pay to the bank after uh, outside bank charges and remita charge. So this is the actual amount you are expected to pay for this particular modification or correction of phone number. So guys, after it has popped up like this, you are going to select name, payer's name. Payer's name is right here. You put your name here, put your phone number here guys, put the phone number that you can receive message or call with. So you put your email so that you can be able to get this remitter in form of email message guys. So sorry guys, you confirm your email here, then come to this place and click I am not a robot. When you click I am not a robot, it is going to tick. It will tick guys, it will tick like this. Then you come down to this place and select submit. When you have cross-checked the details that you've inserted in these options, so you click on submit guys, it will tell you successfully submitted. So guys, you go straight to your email app or mail app and check the error remitter message that you have received in form of PDF. So you are going to download it guys. Then when you download it, you copy out the remitter number, that RRR number that used to be somehow at the top corner of your remitter form. You don't even need to print it out, just copy it out, write it on a sheet of paper, and then go right away to the bank. Or any bank nearest to you. Go there and request for payment for national identification number modification. So what you are going to write on your remitter, on your teller for payment is this particular title, name of service. This is what you are going to write. Copy this, write it. It's going to reflect on the remitter form, the soft copy that you're going to receive on your email message. So you're going to write out the name and the remitter number. Those are the two things you need to make use of out of this remitter you're generating here guys. So after you have made payment to the bank, then the bank is going to issue you a payment slip or receipt for having paid the money directly to national identification number account. So that's a receipt that they're going to issue you. You attach it. Then when you finish payment, you can go to the go and obtain affidavit for that national identification. Sorry guys, identification number, date of what is it called, phone number. Sorry guys, phone number correction guys. That is what you are going to tell them that you want to make use of the affidavit for, so that they will rightly describe what the affidavit is all about. Then they might collect like 500 naira or thereabout, or 200 if you know anybody there in the place where they normally do obtain affidavit, so in the court, right? So guys, what you're going to do next is, when you finish obtaining those two documents, you go straight to any nearest NIM office, NIM's office, and then submit it to them. There they are going to carry out some modification on your dashboard. So when they finish modifying your information, changing your phone number, then recapturing you again. So the next thing you're going to do is to you now wait, guys. You now wait for validation. This validation took me 2 good weeks before I now tried logging in with my current phone number that I actually changed with. So it worked, guys. So that is why I decided to make this video, to help someone out there who might be looking out for how to get his phone number that he attached during the time he registered national ID card, and get it modified, get it changed, guys, so that you can be able to access and print your one of the reasons why you might need this is to enable you print out your national ID card original copy. You can in my next video I'm going to show you how you can follow and get your original ID card print out and get it for printed. Get it printed so that you can be able to use it for some online registrations where they are being demanded. So guys, I want you to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscription button, that red icon, click on notification so that you get notified by YouTube whenever I drop any other videos like this one, guys. So just help me do that. Share this video, like the video, guys, and I hope it has added value to you and it has given you some procedure you can take and get this done, guys. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. See you in my next video, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.